Assalamu alaikum students. Abdul Naseem is here, your computer teacher. Today we are going to do the question answers of Unit 6 Editing in MS Word. In previous lesson we have practiced all the options that were mentioned in your book, and in this lesson we are just going to write question answer. So first we are going to write now descriptive type of questions. Question number 1. What are the functions of horizontal and vertical scroll bars? There are two bars in your window screen, in your Word window screen, horizontal and vertical. So what are the functions of that? You need to tell me here. Let's see. The functions of horizontal and vertical scroll bars are that they allow you to move the window viewing area left or right and up or down. How? Just look here. This is your window screen. This is the vertical scroll bar on this side, and here you have horizontal scroll bar. If you want to move to the top side of your paper, you have to click and drag it to the top side. If you want to move to the bottom side of your paper, just click that scroll bar and move it and drag it to the downward. Similarly, this horizontal scroll bar, you can just click it and move to the right side if you want to go to the right side of your page, and click and drag to the left side if you want to move to the left side of your page. So remember that we have two scroll bars in our Word window screen. How many scroll bars? Two. Vertical scroll bar and horizontal. Just try to learn it so you may know it clearly that how many bars are there. Vertical scroll bar and here horizontal. Okay, so it's used to move up and down, and this one is used to move to the left and right side. So this is the function of your scroll bars. They can move up and down, and then this one can move to the right and left side. Now we are just moving to next one. Question number 2. Here is the question. Imagine you have written an essay on whales, but you need to add more. What steps will you take to insert additional information? Okay, just an example that you have written something on whales paragraph. Now after writing, you finished it, you have done with it, you just remember some more points that you want to add in it. Now how will you be able to write in that? How will you add that information? So in this answer we are going to learn it. Number 1. I will position the cursor to the right of the sentence where I want to add additional information. Number 2. I will select the insert mode, and number 3, then I will type the new text. So this way, if you just follow all these 3 steps, you can add new information in your paragraph. What is that? You need to keep your cursor to the right of the sentence. Suppose this is your sentence, and what is the right side of it? This one. Keep it here. After that, select insert mode. After selecting the insert mode, you just type the new text and it will be added there. Okay, because an insert mode will add the new text automatically in it. So in any case, if you have done with your work and you want to add something new in it, something more, or you just want to add more points, just what? Keep cursor at the right of the sentence, select your insert mode, and after selecting the insert mode, type your text. Next one, we have question C. Just read the question. Now it's here. Now you want to replace the opening paragraph in your essay on Wales. Explain how you would do this. Okay, now it's about how you can replace your paragraph, how you can replace your opening paragraph on your essay which you have done earlier. How you are going to do it? Here are the steps. Number 1, click insert on the status bar. Number 2, change to the overtype mode. And number 3, place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph and type over it. So 3 steps you need to follow. Click insert on the status bar, change to the overtype, and then place cursor at the beginning of the paragraph where you want to type over it. Okay, if you remember in the previous question, just we are going back so you can just have a look on that. In previous paragraph we learned that how we can add new information. Okay, and for that purpose what we use there? We use here insert mode by keeping the cursor at the right of the sentence. Okay, so you need to use insert mode when you keep your cursor at the right of the sentence. Then you can add new text. And in next question here you have to replace the paragraph. So how you will be able to replace? You need to use here insert. Where is that insert? This insert is on your status bar of the window screen. Okay, and there you have to use overtype mode. Overtype mode means it is going to replace it. Okay, so here you have to keep the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph, not at the right of the sentence. That was about the previous one. Here you need to keep the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph. Next, question 4. What is the difference between undo and redo commands? The difference between undo and redo commands. Let's see. The undo command is used to reverse the last command, whereas the redo command is used to reverse the undo action. Okay, undo command is used to reverse the last command. To reverse the last command you can use undo option that is available in your quick access toolbar. In previous lesson I show you that where was the quick access toolbar. Just try to revise it, that where is that. Undo means you don't want it, just we are going to undo it. Okay, so it will clear or delete. The next one, redo. Redo means, oh god, I just want it, I don't need to undo it. Okay, so it is going to revise your action, and whatever you have undo, it will just bring it back and it will repeat. See this sign? This icon is for undo action. This is the icon of undo, and for this you have a short key that is called Ctrl+Z. This sign or this icon, just look at it, this is for redo. Redo means just repeat it, and the short key for that is Ctrl+Y. So just listen once again. The redo commands does exactly the opposite of what the undo command does. Okay, redo command just does automatically opposite of what you have done with the undo command. Okay, means it is going to reverse it, and the undo command will clear or delete the text. Okay, and then redo will just cover it. So this way both of these commands you can use them. You can just use these icons. They are there on the quick access toolbar of your Windows screen. Just click it and within a second you can use, or you can use Ctrl plus Z, the short key for undo, and Ctrl plus Y, short key for redo. Redo is also called repeat. Now here's is the last question, that is, discuss why you would use the copy command instead of the cut command. Do you remember something about cut and copy? Are you? Okay, just have a look on it. We use copy command to create a duplicate of the selected text, whereas cut command is used to move the text from one place to another. Okay, so this way we can use cut and copy. Just try to remember one thing, that whatever you are going to cut or copy, you cannot see them. They will be just stored in the clipboard of your computer. Okay, if you want to have a look on them, you need to paste them. You need to use the paste option. You use paste option and you can get the copy of your text, or you can move the text from the other place. Just look at it again. To copy text from one place to another, you can use the copy and paste command. And for just the movement of the text, you just want to take it from one file to another, or you can move it within the file, you can use cut option. So this is the question, that why you would use the copy command instead of cut. Because I don't want to move it, I just want to generate the duplicate of copy of text, okay, and other copy. For that purpose I will use copy option, not cut. See, just here are the icons or the signs, you can say, for cut and copy. For cut you can see scissor, it's also used for cutting. Okay, so it is easy to learn. And for copy, you can see here are two pages, the duplicate of the other one. Okay, so icons of cut and copy.
Here we have shortkeys for cut and copy. Ctrl plus X for cut and Ctrl plus C for copy. So if you want to use cut and copy, you can use these shortkeys. That's it for today. I hope you understood today's lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.